Now, talking about viral videos, this is what I mean. You can see that all this channel does is share random videos of maybe celebrities, maybe things that are happening, maybe weird stuff. They share it on this channel, and the name is Top Discovery. Now, if you come over to Social Blade, you can see that this channel makes over $109,000 every single month and $1.3 million every single year. Now, how cool is this? Now, this is what you get if you're going to be focusing on viral videos. Now, what is a viral video? Viral video is a video that appeals to a larger audience. Like this video that I'm making now is not going to be considered a viral video because not many people are interested in creating YouTube videos. Talk more of creating a faceless YouTube channel. It's only the people that are looking to start a faceless YouTube channel that are going to watch this video. But for a viral video, it appeals to a very, very large audience. Let me give you an example, just like this one. Let's say you're scrolling and you see side by side how to start a faceless YouTube channel, and then you don't have any interest in starting a faceless YouTube channel, and then you come across these 10 prophecies that are about to fulfill, or you see top 15 evil people the FBI want you to forget about. If you come across this type of videos, which one is going to prompt you to watch? Remember, you're not interested in a video on how to start a faceless YouTube channel, but you're looking for a video to watch on YouTube. And of course, you come across this video, won't you want to watch it? Even when it's not your thing, even when you were not looking for that kind of video. Now, that is what is referred to as a viral video. So how do you find this viral video? How do you know a video that will go viral? How do you create viral videos? Now, I'm going to be showing you 5 secrets to getting a viral video. Now, number 1 is you go over to Google Trends, and that is trends.google.com. Now, you're going to come over to this page, and the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go over to trending. You're going to see what is currently trending in your country. So if you're targeting audience in your country, you can go ahead and just leave it at this. But if you're looking to get international audience or from a particular country, all you have to do is to come over here and click on the drop down menu, and you're going to just scroll down to the country that you want. And the one I usually use is United States. Now, this is the top trending topic, GTA 6, and you can see over 500,000 searches. If you make a video on this right now, you're going to get lots of views. Now, if you copy this now and go over to YouTube and search for GTA 6, let's search for GTA 6 on YouTube and see if this strategy works. Now, you can see 1 hour ago, this channel got 12,000 views. Now, this shows that this is a viral topic. If you scroll down, this person got 8.4K views. And if you keep scrolling down, you're going to see this one is 26 million views. This one is 1.4 million views. This one is 5.8 million views. And this one is 4 hours ago, 284 million views. Now, how cool is this? Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of them. This one is even live currently, and 41,000 people are currently watching this. Now, you can see that what is currently happening on YouTube right here with this GTA 6 is the same thing that we can see on this Google Trends. You can see 500,000 searches. So you have to tap into the trend, right on the trend, and get lots of views. So all these people, none of them have made anything less than $1,000 just by sharing this in less than few hours. Now, for months, weeks, they're going to be getting lots and lots of views on this same topic, right? Now, if you come over to Google Trends again, and then you're going to go over to real-time search trends. Let's say we want to look at real-time search trends. You can see this is the real-time search trend, and you can see what is currently happening. So if you're running a niche that is related to a blog, maybe you're running a blog niche, all you have to do is to research on these topics and make a quick video, put your pictures and videos together, upload it on your channel, and then the video is going to spike because it has a lot of people searching for that particular topic. And then you can also select in categories. If you click on this drop down menu, you see options here. You see business, entertainment, health, science and tech, sports, and top stories. So if you click on top stories, you're going to see list of trending top stories, which is this one. And then if we're going to click on sports, if you click on sports, you see what is happening on sports. If you have a sport channel, now this is an amazing way to get trending topics. And trust me, when you make videos like this, even if it's a new channel, you're going to get thousands of views almost immediately because it's a trending topic. Now, if this video has helped you so far, all you have to do for me is to click the like button in this video and share it with your friends so that the algorithm will know that this video is valuable and show it to more people. And it's going to encourage me to leak more secrets like this. So if you come over to Google Trends again, now you're going to go over to Explore. So if you click on Explore, you're going to put your own search term. Let's say you have a particular topic that you want to talk about and you want to know if it's trending, or you're researching on a particular topic. All you have to do is to just come over here and put in that topic. So now we're going to just write GTA 6. Now you can see what's happening here. So GTA 6 has been flat and all of a sudden it spiked. So if you use this strategy on October 14th, you would have gotten over 1 million views, because you can see the spike that happened right here. You can see the spike, right? And then if you scroll down, you're going to see the interest by sub-region. You can decide to select metro or select city. By city is going to give you the interest by city. Then if you scroll down, you're going to see related topics. Now, this is where you're going to find rising topics that are most likely going to break out. And you can see Car Chase, Red Dead Redemption 3, and so on and so forth. So you go ahead and check all of them and do your research on them just the same way I'm showing you. You're going to run through them and see the one that relates to your audience, and then you're going to make the videos about it. So with this, you're going to be loading your channel with potential viral videos. And trust me, you don't want to see what happens if 5 of your videos, 10 of your videos takes off almost at the same time. Trust me, I've seen it happen over and over again, and it's going to happen for you if you follow the secrets that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. And again, if you come over here, you can see that this search is for 12 months. You can decide to drop it down past 1 hour, past 30 days, but I usually use 7 days, because something that is happening within 7 days is still hot. So here you can see the topic is still very hot. So if you share video on this, you're still going to get a lot of attention. And here you can see categories, which you can select a category. And of course, here you can select YouTube search. So if you select YouTube search, it's going to give you something on YouTube search. And as you can see, it has been flat and then it's spiked. It spiked to this point. So if you make videos on this, you can see that it's a very good video, both on Google generally and on YouTube, right? So this is one of the ways you can get your viral videos for your Faceless YouTube channel. And then the second way is TikTok. Now, TikTok is an amazing platform where you can find trending topics or topics that are most likely going to break out, because whatever they are talking about on TikTok, people will want to find out more about it on YouTube, and that is where you're going to leverage and create videos about it, and then you're going to see a lot of success. Now, to do that, all you have to do is to come over to your TikTok account and you're going to search for anything that you want to see. Let's say, okay, you can see that this one is already happening, the GTA 6 again. So if I search for GTA 6 and you can see how it's trending, you can see this is 9 hours ago and it has 3.2 million views. Come on, guys. Come on. And then here is 3 days ago, 4.4 million views. 19 hours ago, this is 1.6 million views. If you scroll down, this is 156.2 thousand views. 2 hours ago, this one is 274,000 views. And this one is the of them all, 10.7 million views. How cool is this? Let me quickly share another secret using this TikTok. Now, if you come over to this side, you're going to see others searched for, and then you're going to see all this. Now, these are keywords that people are searching for. All you have to do is to get your pen and your paper, or you can simply save it on your phone, and then those will be the topics you're going to cover on your channel. And that way you'll be loading your channel with viral content that is going to blow it up. Don't say that I did not do anything for you this year. Don't say that I did not do anything for you this year. And hey, you have not done something for me this year, you have not liked this video, like this video now, right? All right, so I'm so excited about this because this is one of the topics that I love so much, because I can't begin to explain to you how much people make on YouTube. Now, I'm not going to even talk about me. I'm like lowest on the food chain, on the YouTube making money chain. There are people that are making millions of dollars just by making YouTube videos. Now, you can make YouTube videos where you show your face. You can make YouTube videos that are faceless. Now, the truth is that I can't have multiple channels showing my face because it's going to be stressful, because I'm going to be the one creating the videos, doing all that, editing and all that. But with a Faceless YouTube channel, you can have multiple channels and have multiple teams run the Faceless YouTube channel. More like a very big company where people come to work every day and sit down and start creating videos for YouTube channels and start uploading and start making a lot of money. Trust me, you're not going to go wrong if you start a Faceless YouTube channel or a YouTube channel for yourself. You're going to be making thousands of dollars from the comfort of your home.